Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Taylor Swift here. It's a little late, but I like this song, so I thought we have to have it here on Garden Guitar, Clara Bow. This is a guitar song, fits guitar very well. So let's take a look at this one with the capo set here on the second fret. So we're gonna go over the chords with this capo on second. So we're gonna start with A minor, and for this verse here where this A minor is used, we only need the bass strings, but I'm going to show you the full chord still, because we're going to use it in chords as well. But anyway, let's start with open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the G next, and here it's actually enough to just hold this. It will be third on E, second on A, and open D. Just the bass strings for this chord. The next chord will be F. That's a bar chord. You play the bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Then we have the E, and that's enough with just the basic here, the bass notes, and that is open E, second A, and second D. All right. Then we have the C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We also have the C-G chord, so that is basically the same chord as the C, but you just add the third fret on the E string, and this is important here, it's played in the chorus. So it looks exactly the same as the C, but with this added third fret E string, that's the G note. So therefore the C-G chord. Then for the pre-chorus, we have some special grips for it. I can just show you, and I'm gonna explain later how to use them now. So this is the first one. So that is basically the C-F chord. We can just skip the names here actually for this one, and a little different, but you're gonna go over how to handle them later. That's the most important thing here. So this will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. That's the first one from the pre-chorus. The second one is this grip. That's fifth on A, third on D, and fifth on G. So fifth A, third D, and fifth G. And the final will be this. So that is seventh on A, fifth on D, and fifth on G. There we have all the grips needed for this song. Let's start from the beginning with the verse. It goes like this. So you just play with downs, you chew like this, and you do that on the bass string. So A minor, 3, then G5, then F3, and E5. That is one round. So Alright, so there you have the verse play. Now to this chorus with the different grips. Now you have a strumming pattern as well. So when it comes to these grips, we want to have short downstrokes here, all right? We want to play just the actual strings we mentioned here. So 3 strings at a time, that's how short downstrokes we're going to work with. Really to highlight these notes here we are playing with. So we're gonna have a strumming pattern that is about 8 downs, but we want to highlight the 4th down and the 7th down. So if we go to this first grip, okay, one strumming round goes like this. Okay, so you want to highlight the 4th, that is, you play on all the downs besides from the 4th and 7th, you play only pretty much the 1 string or so. This is really kind of where you need to feel your way through here. So the 4th and the 7th down, you want to really give a kick on the strings like that to really emphasize them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so one string around will be these 8 downs. You're going to play one per grip, you can say, and the chord progression or grip progression will be this one to this, to this, and back to this. And that is one round. So you're gonna play 2 of these. It goes like this with the string pattern, 1 string pattern per chord. It goes. Right, so that is the strumming here for the pre-chorus, and the same strumming there goes on in the chorus as well. Now we have a string pattern chord progression that goes C, F, A minor, and C, G. Still the same string pattern there, about 8 downs, and the same as we played in the pre-chorus. So you have the chorus now, C, F, A minor, and C, G, and C, F, A minor, C, G. And now you're gonna play in the same way here. Remember, we had the 4th and the 7th down, more on the higher strings. Now you can use your full string board here, so to speak, over all strings, so it's easier to work with this string pattern here in the chorus. So C, F, A minor, C, G, 1 string pattern per chord, and that is the chorus part. Then about 2 minutes and 53 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. It's pretty much to play certain notes here in the way as Taylor sings them. So it goes like this. These are the notes she sings, and that is pretty much what you can do with the bridge part on the guitar. So I can just quickly give you the notes. It will be 2nd fret G string, then 2nd D, open G, open D, 2nd D, 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd D. Alright, and after that you go back to the verse play, and then you go to the chorus and all that good stuff. You have all the parts now to handle Taylor Swift's Clara Bow. Great song, so give it a try, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to support me here in Gordon Guitar. Always welcomed to give me a like or subscribe to this channel, why not? So be a member of Gordon Guitar, and that will make my day. Till next time, play tuned.